Hello all, welcome to MAPOG, where mapping made simple. Today, we'll delve into how MAPOG can aid us in evaluating the accessibility of pedestrian cross points to educational institutions. This map created using MAPOG points out to the educational institutions which have close access to pedestrian crosspoints and also those doesn't have close access. Thus, we can identify the regions near educational institutions where more pedestrian crosspoints are needed. Open Map Analysis Interface from MAPOG. At first, add all the necessary data. For this, click on Add Upload, then GIS Data. Select the country and add educational institutions from built-in GIS Data. In the same way, add pedestrian crosspoints. By clicking on the pencil icon, save the map with suitable name. Click on Action followed by the pencil icon, then rename the layers. For styling the layers, from Style Data select Basic Style. Select the layer and choose the icon from the given list, or you can also add your own icon. Then click on Save Style. Now, we will filter out the educational institutions according to their accessibility to pedestrian crosspoints. For this, click on Analyze Data. Now, the Proximity Analysis tool is open. Select To Layer. In the Find Features tab, select Educational Institution layer, followed by that or Closer Than. Then select the Pedestrian Crosspoints layer and enter the proximity length in kilometers. Click on Get Results. Now, the number of results we get is displayed here. We can either download the result as an Excel file or publish it to our current map. Repeat the same process, and filter out the educational institutions farther from pedestrian crosspoints. For a better understanding, rename the filtered layers. And also using Basic Style, style the layer with suitable icons of appropriate size. For better visualization, hide the educational institution layer. Finally, we have created a map that distinguishes the educational institutions which have close access to pedestrian crosspoints and also those doesn't have close access. This process helps us focus our attention on areas that directly impact the safety of students. Using Share tool, share this map with your friends or public. The beneficiaries of this analysis include students, school staff, and parents who rely on safe and accessible routes to and from educational institutions. Additionally, urban planners, traffic safety organizations, and local authorities benefit from insights to improve infrastructure and ensure the safety of pedestrians around schools. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out us at support@mapog.com. Don't forget to explore more use cases in our channel and our more products.